Hello everyone, my name is Mouse Tutorial and today I'm going to show you how to give your block a basic texture. Now I have run my Minecraft once, and if I scroll up in my console I can see that right here it is already calling the texture. The only problem is that there is no texture yet. So there are basically two things we need to do. Is we need to set up proxies and we need to add our block PNG to that location, and that's it. We don't have to do anything else but that. So let's create the proxies. What we want to do is we want to create a new package. I like to do it in the com.myname.project_name.core.proxy. Now I want to create two new classes, one being the common proxy and one being the client proxy. The client proxy is going to handle all the client side stuff, and the common proxy is going to handle all the server side stuff. So the client side needs to extend common proxy. That's just how it is. And now the only thing we have to do is we need to tell our mod and SoForge that we are using proxies. How we do that is we go inside the class declaration and we type add sided proxy, and open up your brackets and say client side is equal to, and now you need to give your client proxy location. Now you can obviously type com in here, but I like to use the library system, so I'm gonna use references in a bit. And I also want to add server side is, and that's it. Now let's go to our reference and add that string. Now I have already done that by accident, I didn't delete it. So public static final string common, let's say server proxy, no, common proxy location is equal to, open up quotation marks, com.martin.top.core.proxy.common_proxy. So that's the location where my common proxy is. Now I need to add the client proxy as well. Client proxy location is equal to com.myname.myproject.core proxy client proxy. Okay, so now we can use references in our TOP class. So reference dot client proxy location and reference dot common proxy location. Import all the stuff that we need, and we need to, must be a constant expression. Oh, isn't it? Maybe now it is. Yep. Now we have one more error. This is not allowed for this location. So what we want to do is public static common proxy imports the common proxy and save it. And that should be fixed. Now we have set up our proxies. We have the client proxy, we have the common proxy, we have told it about the sided proxy. Now it should be fine. Now what we need to do is add our textures. So this is my texture and this is my workspace. We want to go to source, your mod, and now we want to go into resources, your mod, mods, your mod, and then we want to add a new folder. If you don't know what this location is, you can just run Minecraft once and it will tell what location it is right here. So mods, your mod, textures, blocks, and then the block name. So mod, your mod. Now we need to add textures, blocks, and we want to paste our texture in and we want to call it new block. new block.png. Should be fine. Now if you run this, it will not load the texture. And why is that? Because we need to reload our resources, or we need to refresh it. So right click on resources and click refresh. Now it should work. So let's run Minecraft and see if it works. It's gonna take a little bit again. And there we go. Open up our single player world. And there we go, we have a textured block. So that's great. It's not too fancy. I'm not a graphic artist or anything like that. And this is not, we have only set all the sides to the same. So we could also say one side is this texture, the other side is this texture, but that's for another tutorial. For now, this is how to set up your basic proxies, how to add a texture, and I hope I'll see you next time. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I'll see you next time.